All right, sightseeing with dignity, human rights, tolerance, genocide, education art series 62, video part 1 here. It's the 27th of April, 2026. It's going to be partly called The Past is Prologue. Blocking my use of still posted pages, Under the Wings, and Holocaust, Genocide, and Tolerance Education with Art. Site, S-C-I-T, that's German for since December 27th, 2021. Facebook Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg is anti-Semitic and a Holocaust apologist. Blah. I'm going to have the this icon, like imagery from you see online for Facebook and Meta. Okay, I'm going to be doing this drawing here in ink from this photograph of two twins who were passengers on the SS St. Louis, sailing ship St. Louis, 1939. I've done two large drawings about that, which can be viewed in YouTube and on my website. My website's Other Holocaust Art Gallery, and as well as a lino cut print I did on my last teaching trip to Britain in 2017. An Orthodox Jewish man from a photo in a book about the Łódź Ghetto. That's L-O-D-Z in Polish, pronounced Łódź. And the past is prologue. This is actually not a drawing from a concentration camp. It's a drawing I did in Ballard, a district in Seattle, many years ago. I remember when I was transferred to the branches, I was an SPL library clerk for 29 years. I was trained in the branches in Ballard, where I worked for about 3 months. So I might have done the drawing back then, which is undated, ink and pencil. All right, to be continued. We must not forget President Trump admires Third Reich generals who led the Holocaust and mass murder of 10 million people for their devotion to Hitler. And President Trump has stated Hitler did some good things, referring, from what I read, to the Third Reich German economy. And I just checked online. That economy was driven with the use of, I think it was at least 20 million slave laborers. Whoosh. Very sick, very demented, very immoral, anti-Christian, anti-Jewish, anti-people of every and any faith anywhere, as directed by Mr. Trump.